Alright, so the challenge is to be able to move this entire room, the stream room, over there to the living room. Now this is what the living room currently looks like, and it's gonna be quite the challenge to move all the stuff from over there to over here. Ang dami namin kailangan hakutin, so let's get started. May stream pa tayo maya-maya. Now, you may be asking kung bakit kailangan ko mag-migrate from the stream room over there to the living room, and the answer to that is very, very simple. In a few days, magsisimula na ang renovation ng stream room. So from now until the stream room is completely renovated, dyan tayo sa living room mag-stream.
Oh, it's a cockroach.
Alam nyo na, ayaw natin sa ipis. One of the things na pinaghandaan namin is to replace the backdrop. I know that for months now, yung backdrop na to, nuisance siya minsan. Ang hirap panoorin kasi parang bitin. So ginawa na natin yun ng solusyon. We bought actual paper photography background. So we're gonna replace that right now. So ito yung itsura niya ngayon na wala ng backdrop. You could see na sinimulan ng baklasin yung cabinets na naandyan dati. Next up, we are going to have to clear the table, the stream table. Lilipat natin siya sa living room. Daming gamit dito. Let's get started. Alright, let's go. Whoa! Sobrang daming boxes. But we had to take all of them out para gumaan yung table. The reason why I have all these boxes still is because, pro tip, kapag magbebenta kayo ng mga gamit ninyo, tumataas yung value kapag yung original box nasa inyo pa rin. So keep the box and profit later when you have to sell your stuff. And ayun, natapos din. You're now here in the new location, the temporary location. And I bet you can't even tell. But, diba? Iba na yung place natin ngayon. For now, ito muna ang tirahan natin. I will keep you updated sa renovation. But for now, kailangan na muna natin mag-stream. I will catch you in the stream. Tonight's stream is gonna be exciting. It is going to be the Not My Arms Mukbang Challenge. It's gonna be our finale also. So everything, by the way, that's here right now is going to be eaten using Not My Hands. Kumu fam, shout out naman sa gumawa ng cover photo natin. Walang iba kundi si Rayman. Thank you, Rayman. Talagang it started daw as a joke kasi pinatong lang daw ako ni Rayman sa air cooler. Thank you, Ron, Mami Cha. Our last addition to tonight's mukbang challenge. These two burritos over here. O, diba? So, Kumu fam, please welcome our guest na siya ang magiging arms natin for the mukbang. Please welcome Ali Orts.
Hi guys.
So Kumu fam, please welcome Ali Orts. Siya ang magiging actually, ikaw rin.
Hi
Ako rin,
Kumu
diba?
fam. Long time.
Ako rin, diba? Maglalaro. Ako rin magiging hands mo.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Bato.
Okay, game. Ayan, crunchy pa. Eh, yung mangga. Taste mo, baka di na maasim.
Fresh pa.
Fresh pa. Eh, yung oatmeal. Yung burrito naman. Ang gaya nito nagsimula ng kumain, no? Okay, game. Oh, ito na.
Ilan?
Part i-7 mo na.
Bakit? Ubus na sa akin.
Okay. Nananadya eh. Easy. Pwede yung pink.
Pwede blue.
Blue?
Ayoko niyan, yellow.
Okay.
Ayoko blue. Ang tagal na.
Go na! Subo na! Oh, subo na.
Ito na kaano eh.
Go na! Ay. One last.
Okay,
Okay, easy. Here's
uubusan talaga ako.
Okay, G, next. Sabi ni Mami Cha, mangga. Bago matapos itong mukbang, feeling ko yung chan mo nagcha-challenge na rin.
Yung challenge na.
Okay, G. So may kwento ako. One time, may Benifam Zoom meet up. Tapos, nawala na lang bigla si Ali Orts. Bumalik 2 a.m. na.
Nag-ano ko talaga nun, guys. Kung bilab yung chan ko. Huwag na huwag kayong kakain ng kimchi na walang laman yung chan ko.
Okay, ready?
Palagyan ng salt.
Okay, ready?
Yes. Okay,
Ah.
Oh
Uy!
my God! Kunin mo yung nasa shorts ko. Kunin mo yung nasa shorts. Very sayang eh.
Okay, ayan. Gusto niyo mag-diet? Ito gawin niyo.
Kasya sa bibig ko. Side view. Okay, go. Ang sarap, guys.
O, subo ulit.
Teka lang.
Hoy! Chinek na lang kung warm pa. Warm naman. Let's go. So, ano ang next namin
Hey,
kakainin?
thank you, Amar. Thank you, man.
Thank you, Amar. Thank you, man.
Road to 200K.
Bakit pag ikaw humingi ng goal, din mo na napupulfill ka agad? Naka-ako. Naka-ako.
Yo!
Dali lang, Mami Cha.
Easy. Taas. To your right. Taas pa. Taas.
Hinahanap ko yung bibig mo. And there you have it. Tapos na ang stream natin. Congrats to us, Benny fam, because we won that campaign together. Ngayon naman, kailangan natin maglinis at maghakot ng mga gamit dito dahil this week na ang official start ng renovation ng stream room natin. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and tap on the notification bell para tuloy-tuloy lang ang mga videos natin sa feed ninyo. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.